Hello fellow YouTubers, this is Tombstone284 with an official Star Trek Starships collection review from Eaglemoss, issue 27, Romulan Bird of Prey. And now, timeline, as far as with Enterprise included, this was the first appearance of the Romulans, and this was the ship that they used. And in Star Trek Online is known as the Tavaro Light Warbird. It's got a 130 meter length. It was launched in the 22nd century and has disruptor weapons. It doesn't say what propulsion device it has, but we know that it does have propulsion. It was made by the Romulan Star Empire. Also has, of course, cloaking device. Here's a big picture of it. Here's a picture of where one of a Romulan mine blew up next to the Enterprise, caused the damage, and where Malcolm ended up getting his leg injured. Here's what it looks like as far as in this book. Real big from the top, and the front, rear, and the side. Here's another picture of it with the design on it. Sorry for the glare. Here's a concept art picture. Other colored concept pictures of it. And then here's Romulans and the TOS. More importantly, the guy that ultimately ended up playing Sarek's father. Or Spock's father, rather. Sorry. And then here's a picture of Kirk dressed up as a Romulan, disguised as one. And everybody's favorite Cardassian once played a Romulan. If you recognize it, that is Gul Dukat. Or who would become Gul Dukat. And here's a picture that we've all seen, or as far as the show, before, of the damage done to the NX-01 Enterprise. And then, of course, the top of the Romulan Bird of Prey. So let's go ahead and get to the ship itself. And here it is inside the plastic packaging. Now this one is kind of hard to get out. Oh, there it is. Now on this, it doesn't have the design, the bird, if you will. So we'll go ahead and all it's got Aztecing, some good Aztecing, but other than that, it really doesn't have much in the way of color. It's just pretty much straight green, other than, if you can see it, a little bit of yellow color to the windows, like little yellow windows. And if you can see it here as well, I don't know. Those are a little yellow colored. But other than that, there's really not much to this. It's got a tiny bit of weight. But other than that, there's really not much to it. And it doesn't have any Romulan symbols or anything like that. So all in all, it's not really impressive. But being it is the first ship that the Romulans, well, when Romulans were found, it was the first ship people saw of the Romulans, whether it was Vulcans or humans or whoever in Enterprise had seen of this type, this particular race. So therefore, it's an important ship in the history of Star Trek. So let's go ahead now and look at the stand. And that one was kind of easy to get out. And they put it down on the stand. Also, it's a Romulan Bird of Prey. This is what the base for the stand looks like. Goes in just like all the others and stuff, and comes off is easy. But it is sturdy. And I'm guessing it would go on well, I actually had it upside down. This here is the top of the ship. And this here is the bottom. The reason I thought that is because of the fact that a lot of their ships, like the Mogai Heavy Warbird, as they call it in Star Trek Online, and the Scimitar from Nemesis, they're all like this. But this one here goes just like this. And I didn't think anything of it. So, it goes on like so. And it goes onto your stand. And is displayed like this. Well, that's it for issue 27. And if you like it, you like it. If you don't, you don't. You can buy them separately or do them in the collection like I am and everything. So, that's it for this review. And this is Tombstone 284, beaming out.